First thing we got to do is figure out how this metal roof's coming off of here. It ain't gonna be no fun, is it, Porgy? No.
Okay.
And we just got to remove the bottom part.
Yeah.
Make sure you get gloves on. It might pull up, it might not.
Yeah, pull that.
Oh, look. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it, Porgy. Oh, yeah. Hey, what'd they do? Put a transition on that top? The hell is that? They put a transition on that thing. Alright, we're gonna make this thing brand new again. And there's no way that they could make this thing not leak. So they put that piece of metal transition on there, but it leaked for years, and this thing is actually rotted all underneath. So a little bit at a time, we'll get this thing tore off, then we'll start putting replacing the plywood and go from there. Look how bad your metal was rotted. The edge literally was rotted off all the way up. Look at that.
How's that broken first time? You reckon? I know. Oh yeah? I'll try to do that. I think I will, man. I'm going to do that side. You ain't going to make nowhere near what you made on the last one, though.
Not even close. Plus, I went lower on this one, unfortunately. No, I'm not. So we go 6 inches over, 2 foot, 4 foot. 4 foot is right in the middle of that one. We'll pop a line on that. And that will be our first sheet of plywood all the way across.
I won't try to be fine.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
I got the man's coat on.
oh, is it?
No, my camera is.
Oh.
Got it on myself. These screws on the shelf. He's gonna be like, I got a coat just like that. This is for the ridge right over there. Lift it up. It's so high. No, honey.
After it.
Do that all the way down there, probably would be good.
Yeah. I got it.
You know that's where we messed up before.
Yep.
Not doing that.
Yep. Hey, you're waiting on me? Put a full one in.
Not waiting on you, Paul. I'm screwing down what I got.
That's what I'm saying. When you wait on me, you put a full one.
Appreciate that, Paul.
Yeah. I'm just letting you know.
You want to the other side? What's up, buddy?
What was he
See what?
that plywood?
Oh, there's.
You ain't on the roof, so are you?
Yeah.
I know we can do. What? I knocked the camera off.
You did?
Yeah, knocked it sideways. I think this camera never went out. I'm good. You know I got tackle. That's just a habit.
Get you. Get you, dude.
Got you, boy. Got you. Got you, babe.
Hard work pays off, brother. Really does. So, chopper time. Chopper in the sky. Take a break.
I'm over here sweating.
It's hot over there.
And now I'm over here sweating. Now it's not good as hot.
You're in the sun. You are right
You
in
don't
the
understand
sun.
that. Go to him.
Oh, really?
Nope. You got no reason to. Now your feet. Okay. Is there TV I got for you? What kind of stuff is
Where do you take it from?
it? Nope. I'm going to your mom's house. I'm in 90 days.
Oh, okay.
I got out, try to get on to get my stuff. You want to come down and get it? What's going on?
What's wrong with it?
It's bad, isn't it?
What family member did you talk to?
None.
None of them.
None.
Even your sister.
Hey, can't talk to my sister for years, dude.
Very here.
Bye, let me hang now.
Yeah. Yeah.
What's going on with that?
Oh,
Don't want to lose that.
no.
That's a good one. Oh, so you can put me. We ain't no quitters.
Ain't no quitter, buddy. Ain't no quitter. Ain't no quit in us.
Are you waving on me?
Yeah, you did.
Okay. I take that. I take
Tell
that.
me I didn't?
I take that. I take that.
No, why don't you tell me the truth?
You did. Who's in my front car?
I never even knew the flat ball.
Four more. Push it.